Romans 10:9-10. If you declare with your mouth, Jesus is Lord, and believe in your heart that God raised him from the dead, you will be saved. For it is with your heart that you believe and are justified, and it is with your mouth that you profess your faith and are saved. Before we dive into today's Bible journey, make sure you subscribe to this channel. In our today's Bible journey, we be looking at how Satan is working on Christians in our today's generation to weaken their faith in having hunger to seek God. Most of Christians, they have backslided. They do not want to be in the house of the Lord. They have now chosen social media as the house of worship. Are you ready to learn the dangers of using social media in the house of the Lord? When it's time for worshiping God, the question could be, why is it that most of Christians nowadays have chosen to disobey God? What are some of the dangers of disobeying God? Thinking of the day when Jesus drove out the people who were trading and exchanging money in the house of the Lord, Jesus did what he saw what was best for the house. The Lord, other than having things that he saw, that was nothing more important for the house of the Lord